Samsung built the Burj Khalifa and you have no idea the lines of business they're into. They started off trading vegetables, noodles and fish, reinvested those profits into setting up a sugar mill. Profits from that went into setting up a textile mill and they got into fashion and apparel. They realized that the next phase of money was actually in financial services and they started selling insurance. Today, the largest insurance company of South Korea is actually Samsung. Then the next phase was in electronics. They reinvested profits into building TVs and became the largest manufacturer of televisions in the world. Then got into ACs, microwaves, and because they were importing so many semiconductor chips, they realized might as well set up a semiconductor factory and also started selling it to its competitor Apple for the iPhone. Gradually got into infrastructure development, started building ships, highways, bridges. In fact, today they own several universities, hospitals, in fact, highways. Not just that, they built the Burj Khalifa and also the Petronas Twin Towers in Malaysia. In fact, 20% of all exports of Korea happen because of Samsung and it contributes roughly 15% to the country's GDP, where the chairman today is actually more powerful than the president of Korea itself. Now, what this tells you is what made you money 5 years ago in business is not going to make you money 5 years from now, which is why your responsibility in business is actually to continuously reinvest profits into new opportunities, new ideas, and the next phase of business. Share it with someone who may need it.